Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your commission payments with Amazon Associates easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your commission payments with Amazon Associates, start by logging into your Amazon Associates account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Reports tab in your dashboard. Here, you'll find various reports, including earnings and payment history. Click on the Earnings Report option to view your commission details. Next, check the date range to ensure you're looking at the appropriate period. If your payment is missing, verify that you have reached the minimum payout threshold. You can find this information in the Account Settings section. Next, check your payment method under the Account Settings tab. Ensure that your payment information is accurate and up to date. If everything looks correct, assess the payment status for any pending commissions. Sometimes payments can be delayed due to transaction holds or other issues. If your payments are still not showing, navigate to the Help section of the website. Here, you'll find resources and FAQs that may address your concerns. If needed, reach out to Amazon Associates support for assistance. This can typically be done through the contact form provided in the Help section. Provide all necessary details about your issue when contacting support. This includes your account information and specific dates related to your missing payments. Once you submit your inquiry, keep an eye on your email for a response. It's important to follow any additional instructions they may provide. After resolving the issue, continue to monitor your earnings and payment status regularly. By staying proactive, you can avoid future complications with your commission payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.